Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the wonders of the human mind and help you tap into your full potential. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of lucid dreaming and show you how it can transform your life. Did you know that we spend a third of our lives sleeping? That's a lot of time that could be used to enhance our lives, but what if I told you that you could unlock the power of your mind during those hours of sleep? Lucid dreaming is a state of consciousness where you become aware that you are dreaming and can take control of your dream environment. It's a skill that can be developed with practice and dedication, and the rewards are tremendous. With lucid dreaming, you can explore your innermost desires, confront your fears, and even improve your physical and mental well-being. You can literally design your dream world and experience anything you can imagine. To master the art of lucid dreaming, it's essential to train your mind and body to recognize when you're dreaming. This involves techniques such as reality checks, dream journaling, and meditation. By practicing these techniques, you'll become more aware of your dreams and can take control of them. Once you've mastered the basics, the possibilities are endless. You can fly through the skies, swim with dolphins, or even travel through time. But lucid dreaming isn't just about having fun. It can also be a powerful tool for personal development. So, are you ready to take your life to the next level? Start practicing lucid dreaming today, and see the incredible impact it can have on your life. Imagine waking up feeling energized, inspired, and empowered to tackle whatever challenges come your way. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to unlock the full potential of your mind. Remember, the power to transform your life is within you.